Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing 5 healthy breakfast ideas for busy mornings. Let's get started. Ready in 10 minutes. Calories 290 per serving. Protein 20 grams per serving. 1 berry yogurt parfait. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Add Greek yogurt to a serving glass. Layer with mixed berries. Sprinkle granola and chia seeds on top. Drizzle with honey if desired. Serve immediately. Benefits. Rich in protein, probiotics, antioxidants, and fiber for long-lasting energy. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 290 calories, 20 grams of protein, 28 grams of carbohydrates, 6 grams of fiber, and 10 grams of fat. 2 peanut butter banana toast. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Toast the bread. Spread peanut butter evenly. Top with banana slices. Sprinkle cinnamon and chia seeds. Serve immediately. Benefits. Provides healthy fats, protein, fiber, and sustained energy throughout the morning. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 360 calories, 13 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbohydrates, 7 grams of fiber, and 18 grams of fat. 3 Veggie Egg Scramble. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Heat olive oil in a pan. Cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Add beaten eggs. Scramble until fully cooked. Serve warm. Benefits. High in protein, vitamins, and minerals to keep you energized and satisfied. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 260 calories, 18 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 16 grams of fat. 4 overnight oats. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Combine oats, milk, and chia seeds. Mix well. Refrigerate overnight. Top with banana, berries, and honey before serving. Benefits. Excellent source of fiber, protein, and slow-releasing carbohydrates for sustained energy. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 340 calories, 12 grams of protein, 48 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fiber, and 11 grams of fat. 5 avocado toast with egg. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Toast the bread. Mash avocado and spread evenly. Place the cooked egg on top. Season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Serve immediately. Benefits. Packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential nutrients for a satisfying breakfast. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 390 calories, 16 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 9 grams of fiber, and 23 grams of fat. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.